Alright, so we just got the Dyson V7 Animal Plus from Costco, and we spent $3.39 plus tax. Originally it was on sale. Originally it was going for $4 something, but the roadshow lady was so convincing my wife had to go get one. And we actually, where's the vacuum? Anyway, we actually opened it up and my wife got too excited, so she set it up already. So all the pieces that it comes with, that piece, this is the wall mount. What else? Extension suction cup. And then here's the Dyson V7. As you can see, it looks very high powered. Let's take out what we originally had. So we've had this. This was the Hoover cordless links. And this one I actually didn't mind it. It's got like the detachable battery here, and then you charge it. The only problem is it's not as strong, and the quality of this is it just looks really durable. This is metal. Yeah, it's metal. And the Hoover was all plastic. And then it's got so the running time is 30 minutes, but you have to charge it 3.5 hours, which seems pretty normal. And then we'll leave that one on because that looks cool. Whoa, what was that? Oh, that sounded very cool. All right, here we go. Yeah, it's a trigger. This is.
Hold it down for you to come.
This is like if you didn't know it was a vacuum, it's like a Men in Black. It looks like a Men in Black, like an alien gun, but then towards the end it looks like a vacuum, or like a Ghostbusters gun. But it doesn't sound very strong. Suction. That sounds a little louder. Initially the sound doesn't sound as strong, because if you listen to our Hoover here, the Hoover, it sounds really strong. All right, here we go. We're gonna do a little test. Max power. So, as you can see, it does a pretty good job. It's not, it was just powder, so you expect it to suck everything out. But, if you notice here, like, it won't pick that up. Turn on the high suction power. Okay, so let's see if it could pick up the parts that the old vacuum couldn't. Maximum strength. That was our test. Wow. So one thing that this vacuum has that the Hoover doesn't is that it can reach really far in places that you won't be able to do with the Hoover cordless. Power is obviously noticeable, because if you see how
it's really
like it's got like those little waves that it makes from the vacuum, and
it goes
the Hoover
really
wasn't
far.
able to do that. So this was from the Hoover. I just vacuumed this particular section from all the way there. And that was from the Hoover. Now section sounds a lot cooler. Okay, so here it is. This is from the Hoover. I mean, it lifts the carpet. We're on the right. I think it's noticeable how much more the Dyson lifts the carpet, and it just shows you the sucking power. And when you're holding it and then pushing on the trigger, like you can tell like it's sucking up a lot of air. I think one thing that's going to be a noticeable drawback is that this doesn't stand up. Like, you have to use the wall mount to lift it, to have it upright when you're not using it, or else you're just going to have to leave it down. With the Hoover, it stands up by itself like a typical vacuum. So there are actually a few more pieces that was in the box that we had not known that existed. So it's got like the little tiny brush. Okay, here we go. So this is cool. So this is for like, as you can see, there's like spider webs and dust from the vacuum. Should I use the longer extension? Yeah, I can't reach it. We're gonna use the blind attachment. We cleaned the ceiling. It's really good. The only drawback is it's heavy. So your hands do get tired. Let's clean the blinds. So to empty the trash, it's really simple. At first it was pretty complicated until we figured it out. You pull on this and it just comes out. And then close it. Voila. So to clean the HEPA filter, you just pull this out, wash it with cold water once a month, and then you gotta dry it for 24 hours. And then once it's dried, you put it back. That's it.